I got an improvement. Yeah, buddy. It's super light and it's super comfortable. And it's cheap, affordable. What else? Oh yeah, it's light too. Hey, this is Coach Bill 305, and we're actually going to be looking at something new on this pack. This is the Zpacks Super Nero 50 with the vest, but there's something new. I don't know if you noticed it yet. I'm trying to display it. Well, I just got back from a backpacking trip, and someone suggested in the comments that I should get this new feature, and it came in the mail, and I tested it out. I really like it. I've been using it for the past couple weeks now, and I don't know if you noticed it yet. Yes, it's this hip belt. So the reason why I got this hip belt in the video, I'm also gonna go over how to install it. But the reason why I got this hip belt, because on some of my longer backpacking trips where I'm carrying like 4 to 5 days worth of food, this pack gets really heavy, and I get a lot of pressure on my shoulders. So I wanted to come up with some solution that wasn't going to add on a lot of weight, and it wasn't going to cost a whole lot. And so I decided to get the hip belt. And this is a Hyperlite hip belt. So it's not Zpacks, but why did I choose the Hyperlite over the Zpacks? Well, for one, the Zpacks one was about $60, and this one was only $30. So kind of a no-brainer. Plus, it had other features that I wanted. If I was going to get a hip belt, kind of wanted some pockets. So this actually has some pockets versus the Zpacks one didn't. And again, this is $30. So the one for Zpacks, I think, weighed about 3 ounces. And if we look at the specs, this says it weighs like 4.8 ounces. But watch the video because it actually weighs less than that. Alright, so right here is that Hyperlite pocket hip strap that I'm going to be installing on the Zpacks Super Nero. And you can see pretty good material. It's definitely nice and thick. Doesn't scratch. It has a nice little foam pad right here. So that's going to be nice up against your hip. And it's pretty minimal. So let's just take a quick little weight so I can show you like the true specs on it. So this is just one belt. All right, let's see. So we're looking at so about 2 ounces, more or less. Okay. So each belt, each pocket is going to cost you 2 ounces. So yes, this actually only weighs per pocket or per strap 2 ounces. So 4 ounces versus 3 ounces, plus I get a pocket, a no-brainer.
Yeah!
It looks pretty good, doesn't it? And it's a decent sized pocket. I can fit like a cell phone in it. So it has plenty of space. So I can put my cell phone in it. Now, one thing I'm not really super fond about, look how far I got to reach back to zip this. So to me, that's kind of a nuisance. I would like the pocket to be a little bit more, I guess like an inch further along. But I get it because this is where your hip is, and this is where the pocket decided to fall. But I do like it. You know, you can put your snacks in here. I usually carry like my microphone, my mics, easy access, and then, you know, kind of leave these pockets up here for like my water bottles. If I want more snacks up here, I can. I usually keep my tripod up here for quick filming stuff. But I like it. I like it a lot. It's gonna take off some of that weight off my shoulders and allow me to carry a little bit more weight than the pack is actually designed for. But like I said in this video, we're also going to go over the different ways of installing it. It's actually a lot easier than you would imagine. So let's cut to the video. And when you install this, you're going to want to make sure that the pocket side is up. So if your body's like right here, Make sure that the pocket side is up. Don't do what I did the first time and install it upside down. And we're just going to take this little hook right here and install it on the Zpacks Super Nero. Okay, so this is the pack right here. Kind of give you a big version of it. This is the bottom of the pack where everything kind of comes in, and you'll see that there's a couple pockets right here. A couple loops, and you can install it on either one of these loops right here. So, which is kind of nice that Zpacks offers that, and kind of an easy process. Now you can either go to the upper side or the lower. To me, the lower just kind of feels a little bit better. This right here kind of feels like it's too high on my hip, so I decided to go with the lower loop. And all you do is watch and be amazed. It really is that simple. You just kind of clip it on. What? Yeah, that is it. So you just watched one of my videos, and this kind of goes over the Super Nero 50 and the Hyperlite belt. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Anytime that you guys leave a comment definitely helps out the channel. So I appreciate you leaving a like, and just write a little comment if you want to share something wisdom-like or add another feature onto this pack. Again, I'm Coach Bill 315, and if you want to watch other crazy videos like over here, like where I'm out there doing some extreme stuff, backpacking on long ventures, click on those videos. Again, this is Coach Bill 315.
Yeah, buddy. Subscribe!